I guess we're going wheeling today. It's gonna be Land Cruiser action. I can't say four-wheel drive action anymore because the Aussies get pissed off at me. So I guess we're doing a 4x4 action video. There, I solved the issue. Can't come after me for that, I hope. So we got Brett in tow with his BJ74 with the 13 BT engine. That's just fancy talk for engine. So we're gonna go wheeling with some sick-ass old-school Land Cruisers from Japan. Wow! What was that noise? What do you think it is? I'm thinking it's a loose wheel nut. Well, I can hear grease like boiling. Can you hear that? Mmm. Hey Cameron, how's your day going? Are you busy? I need a tow, buddy. I'll be at Hillcrest and Highway 18. It's not what I broke, it's what's loose. Oh. Okay, yeah, I'll see you when I see you. Thank you. Bye. Cameron's here! And now we're here. That's probably the noise I heard. Good news, friends! Apparently it was only my wheel bearing that blew up. Everything inside the knuckle seems fine. Ooh. Little bits in there. Ugh. So, after taking the spindle off and cleaning it up, I really hope this thing's called a spindle. Otherwise I look like a complete idiot, but then again, I'm always an idiot. The threads are completely chewed up here. So, thankfully I had a spare one. And the spare one has a crucial piece that the old one was missing, this brass bushing. So without that brass bushing, the CV end, instead of staying like this for the last year, has been doing this and blew that wheel bearing to pieces. Isn't that fun? Okay, so I was wrong. The brass bushing was there. Just not where it was supposed to be. So, I don't actually know what caused the wheel bearing failure, but because I was so successful at replacing the wheel bearing, I bought a tent to reward myself.